Okay. Rice cereal feeding. Take. Yum, 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 yum. Take delicioso. Yum, yum, yum. What do you think? Do you like it? Does it taste yummy? It's different, right? You have to let me put the spoon in your mouth. You gotta swallow, Emmy. This is a new skill. Mama. No, let me put it in.